Yeah. So also, I think that we should have brought that up too when we were still talking about pharmacies. That Trump is pushing to lower prescription
Oh, and
costs.
that's such a bad thing.
Yeah. Why is it a bad?
Because they're not going to get the money.
Yeah.
I mean, if you lower the prices 80, 60, 80% on things, they don't have the slush fund anymore.
Yeah, and it's like, did you receive? I mean, I've had friends who's had family members who worked at doctors' offices and hospitals, and they had the drug reps, the pharmaceutical reps come in. Man, they'd come out and give buy the entire floor, the hospital dinners and stuff like this. Guess what? I mean, if you just stuck with, hey, guess what? We did R&D initially for 10 or 12 years. This stuff seems to be working. So after the 10 or 12 years that we released this, it's been approved by the FDA, which in itself is a mockable process. But anyway, they stuck them with high prices initially to pay back what they already invested in that. At some point, they're going to have to, it's going to be a case of diminishing returns for that investment.
Yeah, but what new drugs have there been? And plus,
not much.
There's nothing.
No, I mean,
there's been no real innovation because they don't have to. They have the same.
They rebrand it.
Look, they've been working on cancer for
75 years. And
yeah. They've been working on muscular dystrophy about the same time. There's been no breakthroughs that we know about.
Yeah,
I remember back when I was a kid, and Jerry Lewis telephone, you always hear, "We're almost there. We're almost there. We're almost there."
That was 40 years ago.
Yeah. And now, since he's not doing it, you don't even see the anymore. You don't see anything about it. You don't hear anything about muscular dystrophy.